I used the last eggs in my fridge and made this delicious recipe. To start, we'll lay 6 eggs this way. I'll put in some salt, paprika, oregano, black pepper, everything to taste. Now we mix well. Leave in the comments where you're talking about so I can send you a hug in the next video. Now add 200 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, or whatever cheese you like best. Add 200 grams of cream cheese. And if you made it this far in the video, comment "I love eggs" so I can thank you. To continue, I will put 100 grams of chopped ham. This recipe turns out perfect. You'll only see. Now I will add 6 slices of bread, this way, leaving a little space between each one. Add butter and a little oregano. Place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. From 0 to 10, what grade do you think this recipe deserves? Leave it in the comments. And this is our result. It was wonderful. It turned out sensational. Bet you didn't know this recipe. Thanks so much for watching this far. I'm sure if you make it for your family and friends, they will love it. We'll see you in our next recipe. God bless you.